Okay, bonus round, 2019 Addison. There's 3 houses for this community for sale. And this one, great concrete, good sized driveway. You can park some extra people. And as we walk around the side, this one is also fenced, but this one has a little bonus in the backyard. Nice brick on the front. So go around the side here. What that's for. All right, look at a little, looking like a mister here, a spray mister. A fence with a gate, hardy plank on the side. I like these. They have the hardy plank trim on the side here. Okay. Now this one's very similar. You walk in, you got hardy plank floors, you got the initial closet here for a coat. You come in, it's almost identical. You have vinyl plank here. You have this bedroom. Oh, they got a ceiling fan in here. So you can see here, similar 2-panel country doors. Single sink granite counter with just vinyl flooring. Shower, looks in good condition. And then you have the same bedroom here with the ceiling fan. Okay. Again, carpet's in good condition, could use a cleaning. The walls in here do have some minor things for paintings and pictures that need to come down, but seem to be a little less. Closet. Yeah, I guess there's little scuffs on them. This one does not have a washer and dryer. They did put some shelves in here. Okay, so don't lock these doors. Okay, here we go. The garage has a sink in this garage. A little bit more room on the back end here. Okay, and then you have a closet here. They've put more shelves in, and then curtain. Another ceiling fan here. Now this room's a little odd because this one is not square where it has this abutment right here, which the other one didn't, but it does have the closet. It's kind of an odd space. Be a good room for a office, whereas the other ones it could be a bedroom. Okay. Again, the other one had a fridge. This one does not have a fridge. It has nice gold bars on the shaker cabinets. They did put a little shelf up there. Could use a real cabinet up there. They have a doggy door over here, plugged in. It's an automatic doggy door. They do have blinds on the windows as well. Now this one does not do a covered patio, which it's not hard to do a covered patio. It's pretty easy with this to box it in and put a screen. It does have a full gate with doors on each side, and there's the bonus. It's got a storage shed with a water tap on it. So they had a water tap at a storage shed, and then the side yard. The grass could use a little love. This will make a good doggy run. Oh, they got a little lock on the gate here. So it's a small yard, but private yard. Still backs up to the country back there. Comes back into the doggy door. Could use a little power washing on the exterior. Okay. Oh, so they had a TV mounted there and they left the mount. So they were expecting to put the couch here, TV there. Of course, you can flip all this. And here is the house. All right, let's go into here. Okay. No light. Okay, there we go. Looks like they added some trim to the baseboards that need some touch-up paint. They had a TV mounted there. This room somehow seems a little smaller. And then they put in here, so they redid this and did tile floors. They did the gold treatment with the counters. a very nice tiled step-in shower. Pretty shower. Put a little light on that. Yeah. It's a nice upgrade. And then they tiled in here. And then the master closet has the vinyl plank that's in the rest of the house. Oh, and they tiled in here and the closet. So they upgraded this master bathroom very nicely. And that's it. This is 2019 Addison. Vinyl plank on the floor. Much less paint to redo in here, but I would ask for a little paint credit.